and welcome. Hi, this is Christine Crowell, and today I am super excited to share with you another tool that I've been using for some time now, actually, and it is called Microsoft Copilot. And why should you use this in your business, in your care business, for example? I'm going to go through some of the reasons why it's going to benefit your organization, the way it's benefited my organization. It is amazing. So it is friendly, it's easy to use as well. That's one of the benefits of this as well. And literally, this AI, Microsoft Copilot, it literally just revolutionizes your business for your, especially care business as well, any business, tell you the truth. So I'm going to go through with you the reasons why you should use it. Like, it will help you to run an efficient, sustainable, and thriving business. Today, I'm so excited to talk to you about how Microsoft Copilot AI can revolutionize your care business. So, but before we dive in, if you can hit like and subscribe and share so that you get notifications on when I'm doing these trainings and tips that's going to help you streamline your care business operations, because this is the reason why I'm here today, is to talk to you about how you can streamline your operations, because we don't have to do it the way we've been doing it, for many, many years. Let's look at how we can streamline the business to make it more effective for those that we deliver the care to, for example. So Microsoft Copilot, it is an AI-powered tool integrated in an app like Word, Excel, Teams, we all know this, and Outlook. It acts as your personal assistant, helping you to automate your task, saving you time, and focus on what really matters, providing exceptional care to your clients, for example. So think of having like a executive assistant 24/7 who can draft your documents for you. This is just a game changer. It analyzes data for you as well, and it can schedule meetings and so much more. So I'm going to talk to you tonight about how it works. This is really today just to talk about it as well, but I'm doing a live today at 7 p.m. Hope you'll be able to join me, and I'm going to go a bit more into the Microsoft AI, for example, and Copilot to talk to you about how it works, for example. But I'm going to discuss some of the scenarios here. So it can automate your administrative tasks, for example. So let's start with one of the big challenges, for example, in any care business, which is administrative tasks, right? So with Microsoft Copilot in Excel, you can instantly create schedules for your care staff. Just provide a list of the employees' shifts and availability, and Copilot will generate a detailed schedule in seconds. You can't beat that. As soon as I did that, it'll be done, right? Visual, you'll see it visually as well. It's just amazing. So Copilot, it will generate shift schedules in Excel for you. Sometimes people don't have, thousands of pounds to spend out, but, try this. It's here for you. So all you got to do is they've got voice commands as well. So you can say to Copilot, for example, can you move John to the afternoon shift on Wednesday? Bingo, it's done. And this not only saves you hours, but also it minimizes errors that can disrupt operations, for example. Because sometimes you got in your brain, you're thinking about 20 different things. And if you was to manually touch something, it could cause an issue, for example. I'm going to explain another scenario here, enhancing communication with teams. So Copilot, what it does within Microsoft Teams, it will do real-time communication, collaborations with your staff members. So let's look at this in more depth, for example. So Copilot, it helps you manage meetings, summarize discussions, and even drafts up messages. It will just literally, because if someone can't attend, for example, maybe they're busy or they're possibly in another meeting, it's going to summarize what they need to do, and then ping, they get it, and they're just getting the details of what they need to do. Listen, gone are the days that we need to be in a meeting all day and everybody's in the meeting and we're waiting around for us to say our part. What's the point in that? It's a waste of resources. It's costing money. This is not cost effective. Okay? So imagine that that person then gets an email reminder for the team members, for example. So imagine ending the meeting and instantly having a summary ready to share with the team or even your clients. It keeps everybody on the same page and saves you the time, the hassle of taking notes. Do you remember that? Someone's there going, I'll take the notes. And possibly they could have been doing something else that is more relevant. So cheers. As I drink my tea. So another scenario that I want to mention to you is creating policies and reports. So switch to Copilot in Word, for example, and creating detailed policies, client care plans, or incident reports in a breeze with Copilot in Word. This is a game changer. Simply gives you've got to give the prompt though. You've got to create a care policy for home visits, but you've also got to be the expert that knows what they're talking about as well. And it will draft a comprehensive document that you can summarize. So imagine Copilot drafting a professional care policy with input from the user that is experienced, of course. It can't be just like any Tom, Dick and Harry, for example, that doesn't even come from the care or has not understood how these care policies are wordings and the Health and Social Care Acts. For example, if you're in the UK, depending where you are, if you're in America, then you've got your rules and regulations and compliance. So whoever it is needs to know what they're doing. You can't just have a VA do it for you. It's not going to happen. You're going to end up in serious trouble. Okay? So don't think that you can cut corners here, because you can't. Okay? AI still needs the human being to do the information, the prompt, for example, and that human being has to be experienced. Okay? So the reason why I'm saying this is because the AI, it can do 50% of the work, but it really can't at the moment do 100% of the work. You've got to input what it is, and the data, the information, the knowledge has to be put in order for it to come out in the correct way. Okay? So I just wanted to point that out. Don't think that it does everything, because it does not. So it does edit in the documents with voice commands like add section about patient privacy compliance. You can just instruct it and then it will do things for you. Okay? So Copilot, it ensures that your documents are not just accurate, but also professional and aligns with your business needs. Because this is also about, it could be about training. You want to do a training plan, for example, but you're the one that's inputting what type of training you want to do. So you got to have that knowledge of what it is that you want to see and receive back. Okay? There's certain prompts that you do. This is not just for someone that doesn't know what they're doing, for example. And I'm going to give you another scenario. Okay? Let's look at, for those of you that love data-driven decisions, Copilot works seamlessly with Power, say BI, for example. It analyzes your client data, staffing efficiency, or financial performance, and provides you with a clear insight. It's amazing, right? So You'll get a dashboard showing client satisfaction trends over time. So over a 12-month period, you can see where things were good. You can also see when things were a bit not so good or when things were average, for example. Copilot, it provides you with recommendations like you need to increase your staff on weekends to handle these peak demands. That way you can, it's like you've got a assistant of, an executive assistant that is on steroids, for example, that can really push your business for you as well. Okay, so imagine as well that this feature helps you to spot trends. It optimizes your resources and makes informed decisions that drive growth to your company. So I'm going to talk to you about tonight at 7 p.m. I'm going to really talk to you about you getting ready, getting started. It is easy as that. If you've already got Microsoft 365, then you may have access to Copilot already in Word app, for example, Excel, Teams, and Power BI. If not, you can visit the Microsoft website to explore licensing options. If you're interested in licensing options, then you can obviously, I'll put a link here for you to book an appointment with me and I'll speak to you online and we can just do an audit of your systems that you've currently got. But also I can introduce you for your Microsoft license, for example. What you have to do is you've got to sign into your Microsoft 365, look for Copilot icon in your apps and start exploring its capabilities with everyday tasks. So this is a game changer for your business, for your care business, helping you to save time, improve your accuracy and focus on what's best, and that is caring for your clients. Now imagine if you're a care manager or you've got a care manager, you're going to save them a lot of time. Same with you, the owner, the nominated individual or the care provider. It's going to do things for you, the things that you should be focusing on. It can help you in your business. Copilot is something that I highly recommend to you to use because it is amazing. I'm using it and it's really helping me in my business. And I tell you what, I don't get any, when I just say, can you do this? It's done. It's done just like that. I'm not waiting days and days and I'm not saying, where's this? Can you please send me this? I want this by the end of this day. Can you please send this to me? I did ask for it. Can you please send it to me? You're not repeating yourself like a parrot. If you feel that way in your business right now, then you know you've got a problem. So check it out. Watch me tonight at 7 p.m. I'm going to be going through this in depth with you about the types of things that you can do as a CEO and the types of things that your care manager can do as well, because I really want to open your mind to the AI automation tools. If you want to book a free appointment, well, not if you want to book, I would love for you to book a free 15-30-minute appointment so I can go through your AI audit on your operations in your business to get you streamlined so that your business is thriving and it is effective and it is fast and you're increasing your client care. That is the key, that you're able to provide more time to your clients that receive the service, as well as those that are going out in the front line, for example. They're also seeing the efficiency coming from the office because we all know they moan about you. Let's face it, the carers, the nurses, they all moan about you. Those that's out in the field moan about those that are in the office. So why don't you show them a thing or two and let them know that you got it covered and you got them covered and you got the clients covered. And that's why you need AI tools in your healthcare business so that you can thrive and you're more effective so that people will come to you because of your effectiveness, because you're using systems. And also when you're applying for contracts, you can also mention what it is that you have within your business to show that you are up to date with your technology in your business. So I hope that was helpful for you. Check it out, but join me tonight at 7 p.m. UK time. That's 2 p.m. American time if you're in Atlanta or New York, for example. I also would love for you to book a free 15-minute appointment with me so that I can go through and do an AI audit with you to look at what you're using currently at the moment and see what you can implement in your business, but also see what cost-effective advice that I can give you as a consultant, for example, as a coach, and look at what savings that we can provide for you in your business that you can then use that money again to put towards putting it into your bank account for your crisis fund for when and if the unexpected hits you in your business. It's not going to throw you off. So I hope that that was clear with you. Please join me tonight at 7 p.m. Like and subscribe. Check out the Microsoft that you have 365. See whether you've got Copilot in there. I'm going to be doing some more training on that tonight. So I hope that you have a wonderful day, everyone. Take care. Let's make things a bit more easier for ourselves. I'm also going to mention some new things as well that's coming up as well. So there's going to be plenty of training here for AI tools for your healthcare business. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.